So today's video is about replacing a hard drive on a FreeNAS RAID Z2 setup, because coincidentally I happen to have a hard drive go bad. So it is a Seagate, and me being in the data recovery business for so long, I can almost guarantee you, even though this hard drive sat still and hasn't moved inside the computer, I can guarantee you that there's a scratch on the disk. So another video I'm going to open this up and let you see what it looks like inside, but that's for another day. So I replaced it with a Western Digital red drive. So anyway, before I go any further, I'm going to go replace that drive right now. So let's go take a walk out to the garage, and we'll replace the bad hard drive with the Western Digital. So anyway, this is our system here that we're working with. So 3 terabyte Western Digital red. That tray just slides in there and it locks in. And before you put the power on, you have to make sure that the tray itself is locked in its caddy. So now that it's locked in, we can turn it on. So now the system is recognizing that there's a new drive added, and I'll have to make another video how to clean out all those spider webs from the garage. Okay, so now that we replaced the drive, let me show you how to tell the FreeNAS what drive to replace. So this is the login screen for your FreeNAS. As you can see, we got a notice for degraded pool, and if we scroll down on the page here, you'll also get another message that it was degraded. And if you have it set up right, you should get an email too. So let's go to storage under disks. You see that we have a unused Western Digital 2 or 3 terabyte hard drive, and the key is we have to remember that name. So now we're going to go back to the pool screen, click on the little gear icon, and on the drive that's unavailable, we're going to click the 3 dots, and we're going to go to replace, and we're going to choose that disk in the drop down. Make sure you check the box that says force and replace disk. So this will take some time. I did get a bunch of error messages when adding the disk, as you will see, and I just click through them and try to re-add the disk again. But while that message is running, if you happen to look in the top right corner, you'll see the 2 arrows spinning around. That means that it's recognized the drive and it's rebuilding. So even though those error messages happened, it's still going to rebuild the system anyway. So anyway, let me show you what it looks like now, because I still have it live. Okay, so this is live as we speak right now. So as you can see, the new drive is online, and the old drive that's being replaced it's going through right now. It's called resilvering. So it's picking up all the parity data from these 3 drives and adding it back into the new drive. So as you can see, it's going to it's taken 700 something seconds. So this isn't a 1, 2, 3 process, unless you only have a couple files on there. But in this case, I have probably about a terabyte's worth of data, so it'll take some time. Probably an all-nighter here. And when I click the resilvering icon, you'll see it's only at 8%, and I started this probably about 20 minutes ago. And once that's done, this notification should be cleared. Okay, so that concludes the video here, and we'll save this guy for another day. Thank you for watching, and you have a good day.